Question 21. A solution of a mixture of KCl and KOH was neutralized with 120 ml of 0.12 N HCl. Calculate the amount of KOH in the mixture. After titration, the resultant solution was made acidic with HNO3. Then excess of AgNO3 was added to precipitate the AgCl, which weighed 3.7 gram after drying. Calculate percentage of KOH in the original mixture. When HCl is added to a mixture of KCl and KOH, only KOH reacts with HCl to form KCl. The reaction is KOH plus HCl forming KCl plus H2O. Milli-equivalents of HCl will be equal to milli-equivalents of KOH, which will be equal to milli-equivalents of KCl. Or we can also say that milli-equivalents of KCl will be equal to milli-equivalents of HCl, and this is equal to milli-equivalents of HCl will be equal to normality of HCl, that is 0.12 N, into volume of HCl in milliliters, that is 120 milliliters, and this is equal to 14.4 milli-equivalents. Now milli-equivalents of KCl is equal to milli-equivalents of KOH, and this is equal to 14.4 milli-equivalents. Therefore, weight of KOH will be equal to equivalents of KOH, that is 14.4 divided by 1000 into equivalent weight of KOH, which is 56, and this is equal to 0.8064 grams. Similarly, weight of KCl formed will be equal to equivalents of KCl, that is 14.4 divided by 1000 into equivalent weight of KCl, that is 74.5, and this is equal to 1.0728 grams. Now when excess of AgNO3 was added, the AgNO3 reacts with KCl to form AgCl. The reaction will be KCl plus AgNO3 forming AgCl plus KNO3. Now weight of AgCl formed is 3.7 grams. Therefore, equivalents of AgCl formed is 3.7 divided by equivalent weight of AgCl, that is 143.5, and equivalents of AgCl will be equal to equivalents of KCl. Now this KCl includes the KCl which is present originally as well as the KCl which is formed from KOH. Therefore, total weight of KCl will be equal to equivalents of KCl, that is 3.7 divided by 143.5 into equivalent weight of KCl, that is 74.5, and this is equal to 1.921 grams. Now weight of KCl present originally will be equal to total weight of KCl, that is 1.921 grams, minus weight of KCl formed from KOH, that is 1.0728 grams, and this is equal to 0.8482 grams. Therefore, weight of KCl present originally plus weight of KOH is equal to 0.8482 grams plus 0.8064 grams, and this is equal to 1.6546 grams. Therefore, percentage of KOH is equal to weight of KOH, that is 0.8064 grams, divided by total weight of KCl and KOH present, that is 1.6546 gram into 100, and this is equal to 48.7%.